Let's fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. Then, take the corner and fold to the crease. Fold the other side. Next, we will take the triangle and fold down. Leave about 2 centimeters from the bottom edge. And then take the corner and fold like this. Fold the other side. And fold the small triangle up along the edge. And fold the top point down. Make a small triangle. Make them the same size, and then fold along the same crease. Next, we will fold the wings from the middle of the edge to the middle of the edge. And we fold the other side. And we will bend the tail of the plane. Okay, the plane is ready. See you next time.